Here are 3 unknown features about the Galaxy S25 Ultra that no one's talking about. First, the satellite connectivity is here, but Samsung kept quiet. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is the first Samsung phone with satellite connectivity. That's right, you can send and receive messages even in the middle of nowhere, no cellular signal required. Here's the kicker. Samsung didn't even announce it. Qualcomm spilled the tea. And get this, it's not just for emergencies, you can use it for regular two-way messaging too. So, why the radio silence? My guess? Samsung is still hashing out deals with satellite providers. Once that's squared away, they'll roll it out with a software update. Next up, we have the battery health and cycle count. Finally, you can now check your battery's health and cycle count. Yep, head to the battery settings and you'll find details like health percentage, cycle count, manufacturing date, and when it was first used. It's about time, right? Apple's had this for years, but hey, better late than never. And the best part, this feature is coming to older Samsung phones with the One UI 7 update. And finally, the seamless Android updates are here. This is big. For the first time, Samsung flagships get seamless updates. Now, updates install in the background while you keep using your phone. When it's done, just reboot and boom, you're good to go. No more staring at a progress bar while your phone's temporarily useless. Plus, if something goes wrong, your phone can roll back to a stable version. So, what are your thoughts about these features of the latest Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let us know favorite one below in the comment section, and I'll see you all in the next one. Until then, take care.